Just to kick things off, can you just introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about Easy Living?
I'm lift industry trained. I did my apprenticeship as an electrician in high-rise installation. Quite often people would call the major lift companies and say, do you do lifts in houses? And of course we didn't. So I thought there was a market there. So it's a bigger business than I ever imagined. And that, as you grow, you tend to start to put pressure on your systems and your people. And the first thing that goes are your people, because if you've got clunky, labour-intensive systems, you just break people.
And what sort of were the circumstances that led you to consider a cloud ERP?
All of our systems were substantially disjointed. They all worked, but they didn't talk to each other. So the CRM didn't talk to our order processing system and installation management system. And that system didn't talk to our accounts system. We looked at several different offerings in the market, and we decided on the Oracle NetSuite system. The key difference and the benefit is that with the MYOB platform we were using, it was quite disjointed. So we have different businesses in each state. You had to open each individual file and then remember which one you were working in. With NetSuite, it's just been seamless as far as that's concerned, because each entity feeds the data into the sort of central information house, and we can get reports and information straight out. Whether it's single branch or whole company is just a few mouse clicks away. We chose the Oracle NetSuite platform because there are so many independent businesses producing apps and add-ons for the core system. And the other key deliverable was the payroll module that we used. The elegance of that and the ease of dealing with our field staff has improved out of sight. The end of month accounts is much easier to get out because we work into one platform rather than having 5 or 6 MYOB files open. So it's much less prone to mistakes. Now that it's all integrated into one system, none of those human error mistakes can occur. Where do we want to go with it in the future? Part of the modules that we've purchased from NetSuite is the stock control module, and we want to control our stock a whole lot better than what we did before. So before it was very loose. We would bleed $60,000 to $70,000 worth of stock a year. We're trying to close that loophole so that we control our stock better and we don't have any surprises when we do our stock takes.
Is there anything that sort of really stands out from implementation? Any sort of some people or sort of top line sort of thoughts that you come away with?
I'm not saying, not for 1 second, that implementing an ERP is an easy process, but it's really worthwhile. And if you've got any vision of being able to scale your business, you need a good information system, and we are very, very pleased with what we've achieved with Suite Success.